Hi, I would like to first welcome you and thank you for taking the time to view this demo to showcase the Windows Event Lock alerting and support that ship as part of the Windows Event Lock Power Pack from Lightspeed PM. My name is Alain Abdul Sader, and I will be your guide through this demo. Event logs are collected by the agents, but the alerting is very limited out of the box. The solution supports event logs collected using the infrastructure Windows agent or the log monitor agents. We will start by configuring a Windows host agent. We provide the host to monitor, the patterns to include or exclude, for the purposes of the demo, we have mapped the information event log severity to fatal and accelerated the collection rate to 30 seconds versus the default 5 minutes. There are two log events dashboards available, one supporting the IC agent and another for the log monitor agent. In the navigation panel, we have the host selector, which allows for the selection of hosts individually. The table displays all the collected events for the selected host within the specified period. Throttling allows you to control the number of times an event must be encountered within a specified period for an alarm to be generated. You can specify a service and use regular expression to provide values for all other fields. It is possible to create generic definitions or specific ones. For our demo, we will create 3 definitions. The count of 0 will make any event matching the provided values not fire. We will create one for the print spooler service. The count of 1 will make any event matching the provided values fire. We will create one for the background intelligent transfer service. A count of 2 or more will make any event matching the provided values fire only if encountered within the specified time. Please note that the period starts when the match is first found. For the diagnostic tracking service, we will use a count of 2 within 5 minutes. The 5 minutes period starts when the event is encountered the first time. During our demo, we will stop and start the various services which will also generate the same messages, but containing the word running. To avoid generating alarms for those messages, we will create a generic running definition and set the count to 0. The definitions are compared in a specified order. Use the hand to reorder definitions. We will now restart the services. We should only see one fatal alarm for the background intelligence transfer service, since it has a count of 1. The print spooler service will never trigger an alarm since it has a count of 0. The diagnostic tracking service will not trigger an alarm, as this will be the first time the event is encountered. We will now restart the same services. We should now have a new fatal alarm for the diagnostic tracking service. The print spooler service should not trigger due to the count of 0. The background intelligent transfer service will not trigger since an alarm for that specific event for the same host is already active. Now we have our new alarm. Auto-clear definitions follow the same principles as the throttle definitions, but are used to decide which alarms to auto-clear and after how long of being active. The solution can be fully managed using the bundled settings screens. The registry settings dashboard allows you to fully manage all the registry variables used by the solution. The rule management dashboard is where you can disable or enable rules as well as edit them. This concludes our demo. I hope it was informative, and I thank you again for joining us.